Hello, my name is John Klesnick. I'm the founder of NanoMAXX, Bonnet Pro, CT6, and Encapsulation World on Facebook. And I'm very glad today for the opportunity to talk to you about NanoMAXX and its green cleaning capabilities and how it will serve you and your families and your customers in the years to come. Green has become a very important aspect in our cleaning world. It is a new wave of how we're going to introduce cleaning in the future, and it's here to stay. And what we've been able to do with new microemulsion technologies with NanoMAXX is to have a superior plant-based product that out-cleans current detergents in the world marketplace and provides you not only a safe cleaning product that can be used on in multiple ways on a variety of surfaces, not just carpets and textiles and upholsteries, but it's also highly effective and will cut your cleaning time with as little as 1 ounce per gallon. So we're going to go talk some more about this. Come with me. With so many green cleaners on the market and so many claiming to be green that really aren't, or half green, NanoMAXX changes that because we're plant-based, we're a 0 health rating, and we don't have alcohols, we don't have some of these other harmful ingredients that the other companies have that still claim to be green. NanoMAXX is truly different and unique. So let's sit down for a minute. Let's talk about why green is so important and why a product like NanoMAXX serves you so well. So what's more important than fresh air, clean water to drink, clean water to bathe in and play in? That's what gives us our health. That's where purity comes from. And the more we pollute that, the more we pollute our bodies, the less healthy we are. For all the cleaners that clean every day, month after month, decade after decade, they constantly expose themselves to synthetic and sometimes dangerous cleaning agents. And that's why a product like NanoMAXX is so important. NanoMAXX is plant-based. It's truly a green product, and it's earned a 0 health rating from OSHA. While most products that are green have a health rating of 1, NanoMAXX is a true 0. It's made from corn and soybeans and palm and coconut, and through a variety of complex processes, we take the power of food and turn it into a super powerful cleaning agent. One that is biodegradable, that is non-toxic to humans, animals, and plants, that actually can be beneficial to plants, and that cleans incredibly well. Now, in a new revolutionary world of microemulsions and nanoscale technology, NanoMAXX ushers in a new era of safe and highly effective green cleaning. So let's talk about that for a minute. We use the word nano in NanoMAXX because it refers to a particle size. A nanometer is 1 billionth of a meter. That's 1,000 millionths. So a hair is about 80,000 nanometers. A virus goes all the way down to 100 nanometers. NanoMAXX is 1 to 4. That's the equivalent of about 10 to 20 hydrogen particles in size. Why does size matter? It matters a lot in this case because these small particles can get in and break down hydrocarbons, which are basically oils. Our fuels and a lot of our plastics and lubricants come from hydrocarbons. And these small particles love to break down hydrocarbons. And that's what makes NanoMAXX so effective. So we have a plant-based product that's made from food-grade foodstuffs that are compliant with the 2002 Farm Bill. And we have a 0 health rating from OSHA. But on top of that, we have a highly effective cleaning agent. I've tested NanoMAXX with the Australian Carpet Cleaning Institute, with people across America, and I'm constantly hearing how NanoMAXX not only did a better job than the regular synthetic chemicals, but it cut the time on top of it. So now you have a safe product. You have a product that in a lot of cases you only need 1 ounce per gallon, and you're cutting cleaning time and improving results. It's practically a miracle product. And I don't say that lightly, because you guys are going to try it and test it, and you will see for yourself. So the claim will be true. And what we're hearing from like Paul Brown from Certified Floor Care, who's been cleaning a mall out in California for, I think, since 1993. Paul used to do 6 sections a night. Now he's doing 8 sections a night plus another 4 to 4,300 feet in the same time period, and says he has a better result. Paul said, this makes everything else look like old technology. Annie Powell from the Australian Carpet Cleaning Institute has been using it on a national account for furniture, and when she cleans a lounge in Australia, she's cut a 3-hour lounge down to about an hour and a half. She's even using it on leather, and every day we're hearing about new uses for NanoMAXX. So it's not even fully explored yet of all of the benefits that NanoMAXX can provide with its ability to clean. So how do you use NanoMAXX? In most cases, you're going to put 1 ounce per gallon. It can be warm water, it can be cold water. Doesn't really matter. Sometimes in a more difficult, challenging situation, you might use 2 ounces and you might use warm to hottish water. But you're going to use that per your judgment. You can use it with low moisture systems, with cylindrical brush, with Cymex, with Bonnet. You can also use it as a pre-spray, and we're even testing it for extraction as a green extraction rinse. We've used it to clean furniture, to clean leather, to clean shoes, to clean glass and iPad screens, iPhone screens. I'm finding new uses for NanoMAXX every single day. So what you're going to discover is it's going to make your cleaning not only safer, but it's going to make it faster and easier, because the product cuts through the hydrocarbons so much quicker than traditional chemicals, because those small particles get in, they break down the soils, and they allow them to be removed much more easily and much more quickly than traditional synthetic carpet cleaning chemicals. NanoMAXX isn't a detergent or soap in a traditional sense. It's kind of a new creation in the way that it approaches cleaning, and the dramatic effects that it provides for you will be evident the first time that you use it. Now, again, you can use it for all cleaning methods, and we're using it for a variety of other products. Later this year, we're going to come out with a NanoMAXX general purpose cleaner and spotter. But primarily, NanoMAXX was initially developed for carpet cleaning and upholstery and textile cleaning. Thank you for joining us today. I'm glad you came along to learn more about green cleaning, about NanoMAXX, and about the importance of it as our world changes with the introduction of so many synthetic chemicals and so many pollutants, and how important it is for you to be safe as you clean and have your customers be safe as you're cleaning their homes and their environments. As the head of my house, it's important that I stay healthy, because my family, come here boys, my family needs me. And as you clean, your customers need you to protect them. What do you think, Joshua?
Today, I choose green. Today, I choose NanoMax.
What do you think, Elijah?
Hoy elijo verde. Hoy elijo NanoMax.
So, green is coming. You might as well get the best products that are going to serve you the best. Live the good life. Buy NanoMaXX. because a healthy life is a good life.